Hello children, this is your comprehension lesson for today. We're going to look at a pirate's life for me. I'm going to go through the questions one at a time. Let's have a look at question 1. What can you see on the beach? Look at the picture here. Can you see a skull flag, red sails, coconuts, palm tree? Tick 2 or say 2 of these answers. That's right, I can see a palm tree and I can see a skull flag. Question 2. Which 2 words describe the colour of the sails? Click 2. That's right, red sails and green sails. Question 3. Where do you think the ships are going? In your English book, write down a sentence or 2 as to where you think the ships are going. Use your imagination and answer with a full sentence. When you've done that, let's look at question 4. How many coconuts are still left on the tree? Answer with a full sentence. For example, there are 2 coconuts left on the tree. Don't forget your capital letters and full stops. Write this in your English book. Don't worry about keeping up at this moment. You can catch up later on after the recording's finished. Let's look at the answer sheet. You can see coconuts and palm trees. You can see the colour of the sails. And for example, there are 2 coconuts on the tree. Step 2. We're going to read this together and then answer the questions. The Curse of the Black Shell. The pirates had landed on the beach just after 12 o'clock. The weather was hot. They had not fresh water to drink for days and food was running low. Captain Jones had ordered the pirates to begin digging up the sand. He was searching for a chest full of buried treasure. Okay, let's look at the questions. What was the weather like on the beach? Was it cold, hot, rainy, cloudy? Choose your answer. Then in your English books, write what were the pirates looking for? You can play this recording back if you need to go back to the first sheet. After hours of digging, Jack the cabin boy hit something hard with his spade. He scooped away the sand with his hands until he could see an old wooden treasure chest. Captain Jones, I found it, shouted Jack with joy. All of the pirates on the beach ran over and made a circle around Jack and the chest. Open it up, boy, shouted Captain Jones. Your question then. What did Jack the cabin boy use to dig with? His hands, a shovel, a spoon, a bucket, a spade. Question 4. Find and copy 2 words which describe the treasure chest. Write down these 2 words in your English book. Jack the cabin boy tugged and tugged until the lid finally came loose. As he began to open it, a cloud of glittering grey smoke came out of the box. "What is that?" asked Captain Jones, covering his mouth and coughing. Jack leaned in for a closer look. As he got closer, he listened carefully and he could hear a quiet, evil laugh. "It's a curse!" cried Jack. Was the lid easy to open? How do you know? What do you think that Captain Jones and Jack the cabin boy will do next? Write this in your English book. Now go back to the beginning of the recording to give yourself time to answer the questions. Well done, everybody. You're working really hard. When you've finished these comprehension questions, look at your comprehension book and complete pages 10, 11, 12 and 13. Remember to follow the instructions carefully.